All right, here we go. Question number 6 from our 0314 homework number 1 in MyLab Math. We have yet another formula that we're going to need to solve, in this case for n. Now, what I want to point out in this formula is that there are two terms that both have an n. And so the question is, how many n's are there? Well, there's too damn many n's, okay? We're going to have to somehow get these two n's to become 1. And to do that, we're going to use the 6-letter F word in math. That's right, we're going to have to factor. So we're going to bring down the Q. Notice that both of these terms have an N. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out the N. So if you remember anything about factor out is kind of like the distributive property in reverse. Also, when you factor out, it means you're dividing. So n divided by n, those n's will cancel and leave 1. Again, n divided by n, those n's will cancel and leave uz. So what we did there is we did factoring. We factored out the common factor of n, and now that's understood to be multiplied by 1 minus uz. Also notice that our two n's now have become 1 n. And so now we can finish and solve for n. We're going to need to divide both sides by whatever's multiplied by the n. In this case, that is 1 minus uz. Divide both sides by 1 minus uz. And that gets the n by itself. So the final answer is n equals q over 1 minus uz. And again, remember that these formulas are case sensitive. So when you go to input this into MyLab Math, make sure that anything that's lowercase, you input as lowercase. So that's going to be Q over 1 minus UZ. And there you go. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.